Very good morning, dear students of Standard 4th. Here we have already done lesson number 8. Okay, I have provided you the notes. Now we will come to lesson number 9. That is air. Lesson number 9. Lesson number 9 from your EVS 1 textbook. That is air. Now here are the notes that I am providing you. You have to write all the notes in your notebook. Okay. Now these are the first question. Fill in the blanks using the suitable word from the bracket. Okay. Option is given over there. You have to find out the answer. Already I have written the answer in the blank. So straight away you all can copy it down. So first one, there is airtight air till a height of about dash kilometer from the earth, and the answer is 50. The air at the greater height from the earth is dash than the air nearer to the earth. Answer is rare. If all the air was divided into 5 parts, the oxygen in the air would equal 1/5 part. There is dash even in an empty container. Answer is air. Fifth one, the layer of air nearer to the earth bears dash weight than the upper layer. Answer is more. This answer is more. Okay, it is not mar, it is more. There are some spelling mistakes in the notes, so you can correct it down. More. Okay. Oxygen from air is used for dash and burning. Breathe in and burning. Plants use dash gas while preparing their food. They use carbon dioxide. One minute. Okay. So the 8th one, burning that takes place in factories give out smoke. 9th one, the largest part of air is made up of gas called, that is nitrogen. Gas you don't have to write, only write nitrogen. Okay. We must not burn the wood from the environment. Now write question number 2. You have to write true or false. Water is lighter than air. It's false. The layer of air near Earth's surface are closely packed. False. The air at great height is rare. True. There is never water vapor in the air. False. The atmosphere of Earth is made up of air. False. Now this is a match the following. You can note it down. Now here at shape of the earth is like a ball. Layers of the earth atmosphere. Plants of the earth prepare food. Fuels on the earth burning causes it is S. Okay, S causes smoke. Air on the earth contain water vapor. Okay, these are the questions. Now here are few questions. Question number 4, answer in one sentence. What is atmosphere? So the answer is the shape of the earth. You will not understand the handwriting properly. so I am dictating. You just note it down. The shape of the earth is like a ball. There is air till a height of almost 15 kilometer. This here you have to write covering. Okay, COVERING. This covering of air is called atmosphere. Some of the answers are not written properly, so you just manage it to write correctly. Even this answer is directly you can get from the textbook. See, I am showing you. It's page number 58. Here, the earth on which we live is round in shape like a ball. There is a air all around the earth. This covering of air around the earth is called atmosphere. You can write this much also. Either write that, either write this. Okay, I think this is more easy. So you can write down this answer. Okay. Now, next, name the constituent of air that help burning. So, oxygen gas help in burning. Which gas is present in soda water? Carbon dioxide gas is present in soda water. Hope so this you will understand. Now here think and tell. There are short answers. Name some things of everyday use in which air is filled under pressure. Balloon, tire, cycle tire. Okay. Many more are there. You can write many more if you want. What is seen mixing with the air when wood or coal burn? Smoke are seen mixing with the air. What is seen? Smoke. Okay. You can write smoke. That is SMOKE. Smokes are seen mixing with the air when wood or coal is burned. What gets mixed with the air when water boils? Carbon dioxide gets mixed with the air when water boils. Okay. So these are the answer which you have to note it down. You have to draw this diagram from page number 59 from your textbook. Okay. You have to draw this diagram in your book. So till then, thank you. Again I will come with the next notes. So complete this work as soon as possible.